You're welcome once again. Today we are going to construct pie chart. You click on this. Okay, we are going to get a pie chart of this. So what you have to do is to click on this. You highlight, right? You move straight to this insert. Then you click on it. Then you see this symbol, right? You click on it. Then you move straight to this. This is 3D pie chart. You click on it. Wow, that's good. So we've finally formed a pie chart. But in this case, if you want to put a title, you click on this. As you can see, you can delete this. All these things is deletable. You can write, let's say, fruit charts. Let's say fruit chart, right? Wow, good. Now in this case, this is orange, tomato, avocado, mango, and guava, right? So as you can see, these symbols now represent these fruits. Then this thing you are seeing here represents the quantities. Once again, if you don't want to put this line, you can come here, you click on the line, you right click, then move straight to this format area. Something will pop up. Then look at this. This is line. You click none, right? You can come here. As you can see, there is no line in it again. Thank you for watching, and please share to your friends.